Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off Google tracking. If you want to reduce how much information Google saves about your activity, you can turn off several tracking and personalization settings in your Google account. So to start, open Google Chrome and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. Next, click Manage your Google account. Now on the left side, select Data and Privacy. Then in here, so go to personalization and activity, and below that, make sure you select my activity. So this is where you can see your Google activities. So make sure you select web and app activity and click turn off. So you can choose either turn off or turn off and delete activity. So if you click turn off and delete activity, so it stops saving activity and deletes existing data. So choose one and confirm your choice. Next, you can also turn off location history. So go back to the last page. Then in here, you can select timeline or location history and click turn off. So you can also turn off or turn off and delete activity and confirm your action. Next, you can also turn off YouTube history. So click that and click turn off and confirm it. So click pause and click got it. And that's it. You can also turn off ad personalization. So go back to myaccount.google.com, then scroll down to personalized ads and select my ad center and just click off in the top right corner and confirm it. And that's it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.